Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to factorize trinomial of the type ax square plus minus bx plus minus c. Right, in the previous video we have seen how to factorize x square plus minus bx plus minus c. Okay, so this part we have seen. Now if there is coefficient of x square, how to factorize this? Okay, so that part we are going to see in this video. Let us see. This is a given trinomial 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Right? Now, what you have to do to factorize this? You have to first multiply a, that is coefficient of x square, and constant term. Check this product. Then you have to find the factors of AC, that means this product, such that their addition will be B. Okay, okay. Let us see. If you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, what is a into c? 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Now, you have to find the factors of 6 such that, okay, I will write here for you. Find factors of 6 such that their addition will be 7 plus 7, right? So what will be those factors? Can I say 6 and 1 only? What is 6 into 1? 6 into 1, which is equal to 6. What is 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7? So product is 6 and addition will be 7. Right? So 2x square, the given polynomial, plus 7x plus 3, this will be equal to 2x square. How I can write 7x? Can I write 7x as 6x plus x? These are the factors, right? So 6x plus x plus 3. Okay, now see, I will take the common from this two term and then this two term. Okay, see here, what I can take common? I can take 2x common, so it will be x plus 3. Is it right? 2x square plus 2x into 3, it will be 6x plus, what I can take common? 1 in bracket x plus 3. Again, you will observe that you must have these two factors same. Now from these two term, what I can take common? I can take x plus 3 common. So what will be in bracket? From this term, it will be 2x plus from this, it will be 1. Therefore, what are the factors of 2x plus 7x plus 3? What are the factors? Those are x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So this will be your answer. Okay. Right, so remember, you have to multiply the coefficient of x square, that is a, and constant term, and you have to find the factors of this product such that their addition should be b. Okay, we'll solve more problems so that the concept will be clear. See here, this is a given polynomial, right? Now what is coefficient of x square? See here, I will write here coefficient of x square into constant term, into constant term. What is coefficient of x square? 6 into constant term 2, 12. Now you have to find the factors of 12 such that, find factors of 12 such that their addition, what addition we want? See, what is there? Plus 7. Their addition should be plus 7. So can you tell the two factors of 12? That means multiplication should be 12, addition should be plus 7. So 12, 4 into 3, and what is 4 plus 3? It is 7. So what will be factor? 4 and 3, right? So how I can write 7x? See here, so this will be 6x square. How I can write 7x? 4x plus 3x plus 2. So now what I have to take? I have to take the common from this two term. So what I can take common here? Can I take 2x common? So it will be in bracket 3x plus 2. Is it right? What I can take common from this? 1 in bracket 3x plus 2. Again you can observe these two terms are equal. So I can take now 3x plus 2 common. So what will be in bracket? 2x plus 1. So what are the factors of 6x square plus 7x plus 2, which is equal to 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Okay. Now suppose one of the student, instead of 4x, he has written plus 3x and then he has written 4x. See, even though whatever you will write, you will end up with same answer. Suppose 6x square plus, I have written 3x plus 3x first and then 4x plus 2. So I can take 3x common. It will be x plus, sorry, what it will be? See here, if I am taking 3x common, so 3x, it will be in bracket 2x plus 1 plus, I can take 2 common, it will be 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2. Okay, so same answer you are getting here, right? So whichever term you write first, it will not make any difference. Okay, so hope this problem is clear to you. Let us see another example. Now 2x square minus 5x plus 3. What is 2 into 3? 6. So you have to find the factors of 6 such that their addition should be minus 5. Their addition should be minus 5. So can you tell any two factors? See, 6. What will be factor? 3 and 2. Now, if I make the minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2, it is what? Plus 6. Then minus 3 plus minus 2, it is what? Minus 5. That is what we required, minus 5. So 2x square, I will write 2x minus 3x plus 3. So if I take 2x common, it will be x minus 1 minus, if I take 3 common from this, x minus 1. So it will be x minus 1, 2x minus 3. Okay, is it clear? So 2x square minus 5x plus 3, this will be equal to x minus 1 into 2x minus 3. This will be your answer. Okay, very simple. Right. So if you do the practice, I think it will be very clear to you. Okay. Now let us see. This is the given trinomial 3x square plus 11xy plus 6y square. Now this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial, no doubt. This is a polynomial. In how many variables are there? Two variables. What are the variables? X and y. Right? But the approach should be same. Now 3 into 6, 3 into 6, which is equal to 18. Now you have to find the factors of 18 such that their addition should be plus 11. So can I say plus 2 plus 9? What are the addition? 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Multiplication will be 18. So This will be equal to 3x square plus 9xy plus 2xy plus 6y square. Okay, is it clear? So now this is important. I am going to take the common from this two term and this two term. See, what I can take common? I can take 3x common. So in the bracket it will be x plus 3y. Is it right? Plus from these two term, what I can take common? I can take 3y common. Sorry, I can take 2. See what I can take common here? I can take the 2y common. So in the bracket it will be x plus 3y. Right? Again these two terms are common. See, I can take the common x plus 3y. So x plus 3y. So in the bracket it will be 3x plus 2y. Okay, therefore we can write 3x square plus 11xy plus 6y square is equal to x plus 3y in bracket 3x plus 2y. This will be your answer. Note that while solving the problem, you have to write all this thing on the right hand side of your page. As it is, you have to write down. Okay, let us see the last example of this type. Suppose it is given 16a square minus 14ab plus 3b square and you have to factorize this. So again 16 into 3, 16 into 3, 48. You have to find the factors of 48 such that their addition should be minus 14. Yes, see, I will write for you here. Find factors of plus 48 such that their addition should be, what will be addition? It will be minus 14. So what will be those factor? 8 and 6. 8 6 are 48. If I do minus here, check, minus 8 into minus 6, it will be 48. Then minus 8 plus minus 6, it will be minus 14. So both the conditions are satisfied. So let us see. 16a square minus 8ab minus 6ab plus 3b square, minus 8 plus 6 minus 14. So that is correct. Now this is again important step. You have to take the common from these two terms. So what I can take common? I can take 8a common. So in the bracket it will be 2a minus b. Now what I want here, it should be 2a minus b, right? So I can take minus 3b common. So minus 3b into 2a minus 6ab minus minus plus 3b square. So it will be 2a minus b in bracket 8a minus 3b. Okay, now from this two term, you have to take what common? You have to take 2a minus b common. Therefore 16a square minus 14ab plus 3b square, this is equal to 2a minus b into 8a minus 3b. This will be your answer. Okay, so hope if polynomial is in the form x square plus minus bx plus minus c, I think you will be able to factorize it. So let's do some problem for homework. You can pause the video and you can note down this polynomial and just check whether you are able to solve these polynomials or not. The question is you have to find the factors of these four polynomials, right? Thank you.